Today we'll be talking about Davinte's Magic Blend. Here's the landing page. We will go to My Designs. And on My Designs is where we will find all of our recently worked on designs. We will be clicking on Redesign. And then we will click on the top left at Magic Edit. This will highlight our image. And then we'll click Stroke. We can select and change the stroke to, let's try 75. We'll select the building that we want to be affected, the area that wants to be affected by our style image. For this tutorial, we're choosing Vitra Design Museum by Frank Gehry. So that will be our style image. And now we will move the sliders. The creativity slider allows for how much of the image will be affected, and then the strength slider is how much of the new style image will affect the original image. Let's generate. And here we go. This is our first generation with a 90% creativity and 100% image styling strength. Let's try another generation. We'll click again on Redesign, and we will do 100 creativity and 90 style strength. Generate. And it's a little different now. Still cool, very cool images. And now we can try again with a different generation. Let's redesign. Let's go lower, just so we can understand what the sliders do. At a 50 and 100, 50% creativity, 100% strength, you can see how much of the original geometry stays intact. Let's increase it a little bit. Let's increase the creativity a little bit to 75, and let's see what happens. Oh, very cool, very cool. See, and Davinte's power is in the geometry, right? So let's go and try something else. Let's try our own prompts this time. Let's say villa and curves. We're getting the curves. We're just describing the image that's being fed into the machine, like the style image. So we're just describing the Vitra Design Museum. But we want it to be a villa. So we will say villa curves, and we will stick with a 90 to 100% mix. And you can see how we're getting a lot of curves now from that front curve on the original design from the Vitra Design Museum from Frank Gehry. Let's play around a little bit more with the prompts, and let's add a wild geometry. This could be interesting. Let's see what we get from this. And we will do 100 and 100 this time. We want the original image to be fully affected, and you can see that we're getting some very funky geometry and designs, right? So let's try one more time, and so we can just simply regenerate, and then we will see different designs at this point. We like the top corner, so we will make the top corner the priority, and let's use a refiner. We will double refine the image, so we can get more details out of the generated image. So you can see right now that look how clear the image is becoming, and we will refine it again. There you go, and the geometry is clearing up. And now we will upscale our final image. And this is our final design. Pretty cool from where we started.